One of the most cold-hardy, easy-care fruit trees that we can grow here in the South is called the loquat, and it's better known as the Japanese plum. Now, this grows great in the South, and it makes a wonderful landscape feature tree. It has evergreen leaves, just glossy, beautiful evergreen leaves that stay year-round, and in the wintertime, this plant is just loaded with white, fragrant, beautiful blossoms that the bees are just all over right now. Now, it only requires one tree to make fruit because the male and female flowers are both on the same plant, but we rely on bees to pollinate. And once they're pollinated, in the late spring, early summer, we'll get this small, light yellow colored, kind of orangish fruit that is just delicious. You can see some of the fruit has been forming here from the flowers. So at the end of spring, early summer, we'll have fruit. Now, this tree has been used most extensively as a landscape tree for its evergreen small features. This is a very large tree. It's located here on LSU's campus at the Hill Farm, and it's been around for a while, so it's a very large tree. You can find seedling plants sold at the nursery, but it's very difficult to find named varieties that are prized for their fruit. This fruit is mostly eaten in Asia, where the plant is native, and it's not as well sought after here in the United States, but it is just a delicious fruit that you can make jams and jellies from. So grow this tree, enjoy the fresh fruit, or utilize it as an evergreen landscape focal tree for your lawn. For Get It Growing, this is Heather Kirk Ballard with the LSU Ag Center.